Aqua Rest Spa's helpful service. Replacing the GFCI cord. Locate the GFCI plug for your spa and press the red test button. Unplug the GFCI from the receptacle. Next, remove the front access panel. To get started, you will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, or a cordless drill, and a number 2 Phillips bit. Locate the access panel. Remove the screws, then remove the access panel by pulling forward on the bottom, then sliding it down and out. Locate and remove 2 Phillips head screws from the spa pack using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Slide the cover up and pull forward to remove the cover. Keep the cover handy as the wiring diagram explains where each wire is connected. Locate the ground screw for the power cord and loosen using a flathead screwdriver. Then remove the ground wire. Next, locate the white neutral wire and the black line wire and disconnect them using a pair of needle nose pliers. Now locate and loosen the 2 flat head screws on the wire clamp holding the power cord. Now remove the power cord. Gently pull down on the cord while guiding the wire through the hole. Now it's time to install your new power cord. Slide the end of the power cord through the wire clamp. Tighten the 2 wire clamp screws. Reinstall the ground wire. And tighten the screw. Now you're ready to reconnect the white neutral wire and the black line wire. Connect the white neutral wire to J27, which is the top spade terminal. Connect the black line wire to J26, which is the bottom spade terminal. Now reinstall the cover for the spa pack using the alignment tabs. Push the cover on firmly and slide down to lock the cover in place. Reinstall the cover screws using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Reinstall your GFCI into the receptacle. Press the yellow button to reset the GFCI. To reinstall the access panel, slide the panel up and in using the alignment tabs. Then reinstall the screws. Your spa serial number is located on the front of the spa, below and beside the access panel. Here, you will find important information such as the model number, manufacturing date, serial number, and electrical information. Thank you for purchasing an AquaRest spa. We truly appreciate your support, and trust it will bring your family years of enjoyment.